We just got done watching Crushing Wheelchairs, LA premiere. What did you think? First thoughts.
It was incredible, and I'm a filmmaker also. So as I was watching it, like I thought I was coming in to see a documentary, but then it's like not, but it is, and it's really innovative storytelling. But then the people in it are like the real people, so it just made it that much more real. And I loved how, like, as somebody who's not unhoused, I got a real sense of what unhoused people experience on a daily basis and how it affects like generations of families, which is really important for people to understand. You know, it's not just, oh, it's just that person. It's the system that impacts a person and their family and the lineage of their family, and then the harm keeps getting perpetuated by the system. So it did a really amazing job, and like I hate saying like an amazing job because it's terrible, but it did an incredible job of really, you know, having us as the audience be able to experience that and understand it better. I think it's a really important educational tool that people need to see.